Hello, guys. It is Friday. You know what? Why you always want to start crying when I'm about to go live? When I'm live, kids, man. All right. So tonight won't be long. Tonight is movie night. Well, they're watching a movie. I just went to. I just went to. I went to record this for you guys since we are. It's Friday. All right, so hello, happy Friday, everyone. My name is Ramira. For those who are just joining out, mother of three wonderful boys. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I am an entrepreneur, and I'm just here to show you how to get this money. Let's rob the banks legally. All right. Oh my gosh, I don't know how true it is. I don't really watch as much as I do watch the news via Forex Factory. I don't actually watch the news on like the TVs and things, but I heard that Bank of America was um, um, people were missing money or they ran out of money or something like that, and I just thought that was so crazy. It looks like we got to get our fair share before the banks do, because it looks like they're stealing people money. So this is how we can get it back, right? All right, so let's get into it. This is the Candlestick Trading Bible that we are going over for those who are first now joining. I'm gonna be honest with you. You can find this. Just type it in. Trade it. The Candlestick Trading Bible online, and you can get it downloaded for free, print it out, all that good stuff, or you can go buy it. I don't know how much it costs. You know, hey. All right, so if you are just now joining me, we have been going over some things, but don't worry, they have been all recorded so you can watch the videos and review them later. So last week we ended out with the market structure and how to trade trending markets. Today we're going to go over support and resistance level. I think I'm only talk about this today, and not go into trend lines, because support and resistance levels are really something that I want you guys to. This will definitely help you. Support and resistance levels, they may have supply and demand levels. They may be called different things. But these are definitely critical, especially for a new trader coming out. You want to make sure you get this down pat. So let's hop into it. Hold on, let me pull up my chart. See if we need to clear anything. Okay, now. And guys, I have updated in my YouTube channel and also here on the Facebook page my updates of with the links of the previous trading view. You guys can be able to find me on trading view Mars _2. I'm actually going to change that to Mary the Goddess a little bit later. It's not today. And this where you can be able to see my post and some of my ideas that I have released for you guys. Alright, so sorry. Let's get into it. Oh, and if those who want to know about my event, oh my gosh, I think it was so lovely. I ended up becoming a spotlight speaker and was able to speak for a couple minutes. Really cool. It definitely is going to be more coming from me. I'll keep stopping because the baby is walking around and there's no gate that's up, so he's bound to get into anything. So support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are proven areas where buyers and sellers find some equilibrium. They are major turning points in the market. Like I said, guys, support and resistance levels are very critical. Um, you wanna get down support and resistance levels. So, support and resistance levels are formed when price reverses and change direction. That's something good you should know. And price will often respect these support and resistance levels. In other words, they tend to contain price movement until, of course, price breaks through them. Okay, in traded markets, support and resistance are formed from swing points. An uptrend, the previous swing points as a support level, and then a downtrend, the old swing point acts as a resistance level. Okay, and then it has to see the example below. Here's a picture of the uptrend. That was a swing point. Um, on going down, then price breaks that previous swing point. She's doing her retracement now, and now that swing point has become a support level because she hasn't the price haven't broke below. Okay, price goes breaks the previous swing point. X, um, it doesn't break through. Now it's now support. Breaks through the previous swing point. Doesn't break through. Now that support level breaks through the previous swing point, which is here, and then she comes down, but she doesn't go below. That is a new support level. Okay. It says the illustration above shows how the previous swing points as a support level after a breakout. So the breakout, 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 breakout. Okay. When the market makes a retracement move, it respects the previous swing point, which is the support level, which will represent the beginning of another impulsive move. So it respects it and lets us know the it's a start of the new impulsive move. Remember, our impulsive moves is the big move. So this breaks our structure, right? Lets us know, hey, we're going to be going into buy soon. Here's now the retracement. She doesn't go past that previous swing point, and lets us know. Let's get in for our buys. According to price action and other technical analysis that you may have. Um, Boom, and then she goes down, and the repeated patterns. Okay. Uh, you probably need this. All right, it says, as you can see, when the market tests the previous swing point support levels, it goes up again. By drawing a support level in the uptrend, we can predict when the next impulsive move will take place. And then it says, let's see another example on a downtrend. So price was consolidating. She really wasn't doing much. Um, and she breaks, we're selling, she comes back to that retracement to retest. She doesn't break the previous swing point. She's now resistance level. Resistance when you're going in a downtrend, support when you're going in an uptrend. Okay, breaks through the previous swing point, acts as that here's that retracement, acts as a resistance. That's not resistance. She goes down, breaks the previous swing point, comes back to retrace. She doesn't go past that swing point. Now it's a resistance level. She goes down. Okay. It says the illustration above shows us how the market respects resistance levels when price approached the previous swing point resistance level. Okay. The market makes an impulsive move. If you understand how price action in a trading market, you will predict with high accuracy when the next impulsive move will begin. So like I said, you want to have that price action. It says another way to catch the beginning of an impulsive move is by drawing trend lines. I want us to go and identify some support and resistance levels first before we get into trend lines. It says this is another technical skill that you will have to learn if you want to identify key linear support and resistance levels. So starting off, you want to learn those technical. You want to learn the trend line. It says, let me explain to you first, what do trend lines mean? I know it looks kind of a little bit. I wish I could put the word to. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, but it didn't sound right, so I just put it in. Let me explain you first. Let me explain to you first, what do trend lines mean? And it says quite often when the market is on the move, making new swing highs and lows, price will tend to respect a linear level, which is identified as a trend line. Bullish markets will tend to create a linear support level, and bearish markets will form a linear resistance level. Okay, and then it goes into trend lines. So let's first see if we can identify the uptrend swing points and now the support levels. And let's take it from there. So this is the start of a new trend, but I want to find something where it has already been uptrending. Let me just put the replay. And this is on a daily. I'm gonna go down to the 4 hours so we can probably get some more. Yeah, this is kind of good. And guys, like I said, just can always zoom out. Okay. Okay, so this is where she breaks the actual structure here. Where's my arrow? Okay, so this is the previous, we were in a downtrend, right? She made this W. I'm sorry, y'all don't know about W's yet. But she made this pattern. I wouldn't consider this as a breaker structure because it needs to break the previous swing point. So it actually breaks it here, right? All right. Then price does its retracement, all right? Acts as a support, and then now it's now a support level. Okay. This one is kind of sideways, but you can see it here. As she breaks, I would say she probably break right here. Well, she broke right here, and then she came down. She came up a little, came down, came up, and it breaks that previous swing point. She retraces, and then, you know, she's now support. So let me draw this one. My lines are not the best. Okay. And then it's that impulsive move, retracement, acts as a support. She's not passing that previous swing point. And then it's this, now she's a support level. She goes to the impulsive move. So let me make another one here. Okay, impulsive move. She retraces down. She's still acting as a support because She didn't break this previous swing, right? You can see that one a little bit clear. That's the start of our impulsive move. We go up. I'm gonna bring this up for you. I'm just trying to traces down. She doesn't break the previous swing point. Acts as a support level now. Goes up. And she does go some more. She does break, and that's also, we'll learn about more about the retracements. She does break the previous swing point. She breaks that structure, and she does trail down. She doesn't break this, so this may be a major. We'll talk about that later. And then she goes up, retraces down. She doesn't break the previous swing. Goes up. Make her retracement down. Doesn't go past the previous swing point. Goes up. And then that's the highest that she goes. And then that starts to let you know we're about to go into a downtrend. So I'm not going to confuse you guys, so I'm not going to write this up. What I do, should I put it right here, right here? It really doesn't matter. She doesn't break it. I'll put it right here. So we have our swing point. And I need to say, what did I do? Oh Lord, what did I do? Let me take this off. So this is that previous swing point. Let's see if this may be good for y'all. All right. I'm supposed to save this. Hold on. Yeah. Now this is a support level. Okay, that's that impulsive move. And swing point. And now it acts as a support. Oh my gosh. Well, maybe I should put it like this. Hold on. Yeah, I like that one better. That is my swing point. And now it is a support level. Swing point. She acts as a support level. Swing point. Uh-oh. Support level. Alright. He get my flaw. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. So sorry, guys. Let me publish idea. This tutorial. There you go. Support my business. Yes. Okay, I'm also gonna post the charts um, as well in the Facebook live. This could be good, but I want us to get a better one because she does a lot of craziness right here. This may be good because I want us to get an actual trending. I guess the previous one maybe. Hold on, let me read. Yeah. Okay, I like this one. She does, as you can see. And you can catch some big moves. These are 4-hour zones. She really breaks it here. She got the, okay. Alright, so this is our, look at my arrow. Where's my arrow? We were in the uptrend. I wouldn't call this one here as a breaker structure because she did not technically break that previous structure. She breaks the structure here, right? So this was that swing point. She breaks the structure. She does her retracements. It doesn't go past that previous swing point, so resistance has been created. Also, based off the time of day this was as well, and I think, from Friday, Sunday, the market was closed, so she did do some gap down, but basically this is all just one big retracement move, and then she goes down. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Swing point. I'm sorry. Yeah, swing point. She does her retracement here. Now this is the retracement here. This little small retracement. acts as a resistance level. She goes down. Um, and now this kind of look weird, but if we extend this, right, she technically does not break this previous swing point here. This is all just retracement. So she comes down, she does her impulsive move, and she just really kind of consolidates. She has like a range of market. Um, and she comes back. She does her retracement, the resistance, because we don't break. And then she comes down. All right. What? Yeah, we're not going to do the trend lines because baby boy. Yes. Yes. Okay. She has her breaker structure. This is nothing but she doesn't really break the previous structure. I would call this one here. I don't want to confuse you guys. Alright. She does her retracement. So one big retracement. And we're on Euro USD. Sorry guys. Still dealing with Euro USD. So this is the retracement. She now acts as a resistance level because she doesn't break the previous swing point. Alright. And then she goes down. And then I'm going to do this one last one right here. She does some type of fake out where people are thinking, hey, we may be starting to buy. And she goes right here. What in the hell? What you got going on? I don't know where I'm at, y'all. Okay. Listen, I'm on live. I don't want to hear about it right now. They act like they haven't watched this movie before. Alright, she does her retracement. She also consolidates, so it looks like she's just ranging. She did break out a little bit because based off the price action as well, like they were saying, you can still identify that she is still continuing to retrace, so she's basically still in her downtrend movement. She's doing nothing but not trying to break the previous structure, the previous swing point, and then she goes down one more time. So I'm going to label these, and so we have our swing points that we already know. I'm sorry y'all for cursing. Don't know what happened with him, but I didn't like it. Now this is the resistance level. resistance. Resistance. And we're going to publish this. Tell me, how did I do? All right, guys. So I am. Okay, great. We got thoughts set. All right, so I am going to stop this recording. We went over support and resistance, guys. I want you really, 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 because we have been talking about market structure, how to identify market structure, when market breaks. We keep talking about the previous candlesticks as well, but support and resistance level will definitely help you out with your trading. They let you know about the major turning key points so you can be able to see inside the market as well. Um, Also, you want to have different technical analysis as well, but let's just start with the basics. Let's just know how market, what's the support, the market structure, what's our swing points and our resistance or support levels, so we can easily be able to identify them. So please go over, do your homework. Feel free to reach out to me. If there are any master traders that are listening to me, please tell me how I'm doing. I am not a master trader yet, but what I can say, I do have some experience with my trading. So let me put this right here. Yeah, I like that. Uh-oh. I already posted it. I will be uploading this on the YouTube later on today once I get baby boy to sleep. And then also posting the links. I'm gonna post those links right now as I'm ending this live. But you guys have a wonderful Friday. Do your homework over the weekend, and I will see you next week. Next week we're gonna go over trend lines and how to draw them, how to be able to identify them. How we could be able to use them as well. All right, you guys have a great day.